If you've been looking for a legitimate, straightforward way to build a reliable stream of daily income online, look no further. My name is Adam and Froy, and today I'm bringing you another unedited proof video showing the power of the Adsterra loading method. Look at the dashboard right here. These numbers don't lie. With this system, you are getting a guaranteed minimum of $100 every single day, right from day one. You don't have to wait weeks for traffic to build up, and you don't need any prior experience to make this work. What makes this method so accessible is that anyone can run it. You do not need a high-spec computer or expensive hardware. A standard, normal device is all it takes. Even better, you don't even need to spend money or time building a website. All you need is your Adsterra direct link to get started. There are no continuous monthly fees or hidden costs attached to this system. The full Adsterra loading method bot is available for a single, one-time payment of $250 with no extra investments required down the road. Payments are accepted easily via Binance, USDT, and Payout. I know skepticism is high online, and you should always demand real proof. That is why I offer complete account verification. If you want to see these live earnings for yourself before purchasing, simply message me. I will gladly hop on an AnyDesk session with you and show you my actual, live Adsterra account in real time. Stop wasting time on methods that don't pay off. Secure your copy of the Adsterra loading method today, start generating daily revenue immediately, and take control of your financial freedom. Check the description below to message me directly and get set up right now.